Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in ponds, pools and ditches. It constantly changes its shape by pushing out one or more finger-like projection called pseudopodia or false feet. Pseudopodia meant for locomotion and capturing of food. All the process of nutrition are performed by a single cell of amoeba. Ingestion. Amoeba is an omnivorous, feeding on both plant and animal as a food, which floats on water in which it lives. When amoeba finds suitable organism, it pushes out two pseudopodia around the organism. Gradually, tips of pseudopodia fuse with each other. As a result, the food is engulfed with the little surrounding water to form vacuole inside it. Digestion. The enzymes from the surrounding cytoplasma enter the food vacuoles and break down the food into a simple soluble substance. Absorption. Digested food present in food vacuole is absorbed directly into the cytoplasma. Assimilation. The digested food absorbed by the cytoplasma is stored or utilized for its growth, development, multiplication and release of energy. Egestion. The undigested food gets collected inside the vacuole. The cell membrane ruptures at any place and the undigested food is thrown outside the body of organism by the vacuole. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share my video. Also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.